right, so we crashed. Ay, 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 ay. He's got a lot of damage. A lot of damage. But he's got a cage. Yeah, yeah.
You okay?
Good.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right, we're riding. Oh, I think he gets side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Watch out, baby! Oh! Hit. Oh, I think he's off the bike. I don't think he's in control of the bike right now. Oh. Alrighty. Jose Soto. Group ride. A lot of dust. You see all that dust? Somebody crashed. Time to rescue another rider. Dude's on the ground. Check his vitals. Check and see. Okay, he's moving. Good, good, good. He's thumbs up. Let's check his body. Do a full assessment.
You okay?
All right, hey, let's stay down. Stay down.
No, I think I'm good, bro.
Think you're good right now. So right here, I want you guys to see this. Okay, so he's saying he's good. Here's the thing. Adrenaline kicks in instantly. And that reduces a lot of pain receptors. You're going to be able to fight or flight. Your body is wanting to get out of this dangerous situation, and it will do what it needs to do. And adrenaline, whoo, baby. It's amazing. But take a look at this. Okay, adrenaline can't mask and hide the fact that there's a potential injury. So look at his leg. Where do you think impact resistant armor or absorbing armor is in your motorcycle pants? Right there. So you see how quickly it shredded. See where it hit. See where all these things are. Thankfully, he has a helmet. Thankfully, he has at least full clothing. He's not, with shorts and flip flop. But look at his shoes are gone. Those are socks. I got the same ones. I just cramped. His shoes flew off. Now, if you have motorcycle boots that at least go mid-calf, I like mine going mid-calf or higher, they're not going to fly off. Okay, so make sure you get some gear like that. But, ooh, baby, no buenos.
Okay. All right, hey, let's stay down. Stay down.
No, I think I'm good, bro. Chill.
Alrighty, 30. You see the sharp turn 30? Yep, watch out for that. Chevrons. Oh, he's going. Ooh. Those 4x4s are strong. Look at that. Broke that 4x4.
You okay?
Don't touch the rotor. It's hot. You're probably melting and burning your gloves.
Yeah, you help me get my bike before the cops get here.
Help them before the cops get here. Watch your hands on those rotors, guys. They're like hundreds of degrees hot. Very careful.
Are you sure you're okay? Check yourself. Yeah, fine.
Check yourself before you wreck. Oh, that's a high impact. It takes a lot to do that. Don't think, oh, it's just gonna shatter and break when I hit it with something. No, your bike did that. All right, what is going on here? What is going on here? Oh! Whew. Don't run him over. All right, wheelie time. No gear. This is gonna hurt. Oh. Whoa. You see that right there where he's like this? Whoa. So your body's natural instinct is to do some form of guarding. So when your body goes like, oh, it's because the body feels a pain. You don't see it, but you feel it. And where is he doing it? Right there on the elbow where if you had gear. All right, watch out. Oh, right into the back of that car. I don't know how that happened. Oh. What shorts. Look at it, up and over. He knows you're in his car. He knows. Stay. Make sure you get full gear. Oh.
Chill. Just relax, all right?
That's glass. Look at that glass.
Yeah, I know. Look. Hey, you stay right there. I have your plate already.
But I do remember that they were together and then he went to go crazy fast, or maybe he started from something like that. I know that he got into this middle lane because he was swerving in and out of traffic. Okay, so glass is sharp. That's the tip of the day. So the adrenaline's kicking in. So remember the fight or flight. This is that fighting mode. This person wants to fight. It's not his fault. This is probably the nicest person ever. And that fight or flight will get you going. And it's good. Anger's good and in the right situations. This is not that situation. We put ourselves in that situation.
Hey, chill, chill, chill.
So these are all small lacerations. That's not just blood dripping on his arm. Those are all small lacerations. Right here, this is gonna, depending on how like thick the laceration is, this is probably just capillary bleeding. So you're gonna have a little bit of a venous bleed, maybe capillary bleed. But if you had a big piece of glass go in there, you could have a very big vein that got cut and you could start bleeding out quite a bit.
Just relax.
So it's dripping, more lacerations right there. That's the proper term. Remember, if you have full gear, you would be having that. But also, if you weren't riding like a bat out of hell, you probably wouldn't have collided into the back of a vehicle. But if you're riding responsibly and you did impact somebody in the back and then you went into their windshield, probably riding with full gear, so this wouldn't be an issue.
Relax.
So that is a full thickness cut. So that right there is why it's bleeding so much. Now that is a lot of bright red. So it could be an area, not an artery, but maybe an arterial. So that's not good. So this is where you need to have that rescue another rider stuff. You need to have that trauma kit. You need to have all those things. You need to be able to stop that bleeding. Okay, that you're not gonna be able to put together. Okay, that he needs stitches. That's stitches or staples. So what you need to do is cover it with a 5x9 or 4x4 and put a bandage on it. If it does not stop the bleeding and it starts bleeding out quite a bit, it starting to lose some blood pressure. So he's going to go into an encyclical episode, which is fainting. You need to be able to stop that. If you can't, tourniquet. Serious. You know, you never know. You never know. But that's a pretty bad cut right there. Going around a turn. We don't have good vision because it's mounted on the tank. Oh, don't put your foot down. Ay, 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 ay. Got up. Yeah, the Dunning-Kruger effect is a big thing. Knowing that you have more skill than you pretty much have because you're not self-aware is a very scary thing. All right, so we're gonna be moving. We're gonna be moving. If you noticed what we saw right there, sharp turn right there, everybody. Sharp turn, 20 miles per hour. I don't know what the speed limit is here that we're going, but if it's say that's 40 miles an hour and it says 20 recommended, more than likely we should probably just prepare. Okay, if anything, I'm not telling you to slow down. Guys, I'm not telling you to slow down, but at least prepare, okay? Prepare for it just in case something happens. So we got somebody up front and you have all these chevrons right here. So you got all these chevrons indicating that we have something here. Now right here, his foot is going down. That's not his knee. He's not knee dragging. He's putting his foot down. You don't put your foot down in the middle of a turn because it's gonna grab and launch you back and you're gonna lose balance, okay? So there's that foot. There's that foot. Now, as soon as you see that, that means he's losing control. Okay, the natural instinct for a lot of people is like, oh, I gotta stop. Okay, they're going to grab or going to put their feet down. So you in the back know that this is not this is a no bueno situation. So be prepped and ready for this person to crash so you don't run them over and so you can rescue that rider. And there's the dumping. He lost traction. So as soon as he went off that road, he had traction on the road. You just had to commit to it, guys. Just commit to it, baby. Just commit. As soon as he went off road, there's that gravel. Okay, so he lost traction, dumped the bike. Whether it was front brake, rear brake, or no brake, it just lost traction because there's not enough underneath it. So if your best bet is to stay and commit, and commit, and commit, okay? Ghosty! Welcome to the crew, baby. Do the turning inside of it. You want to stay as straight as possible going over gravel. So how do you get this nice turn right here? Ah! How do you get this nice turn?